Let's talk manifestos. Let's talk solutions.
The Build Zimbabwe Alliance Manifesto is committed to fighting for the rights of women in Zimbabwe. Many have turned a blind eye to the violation of constitutionally protected inheritance and the property rights of women and widows. This has left many women impoverished with an uphill battle to start over again after the deaths of their spouses. Under a BZA government, the Civil Rights Division in the Attorney General's office will represent women at no cost when the inheritance and property rights have been violated. We will champion a full prosecution and mandatory sentences for such violations and for the unlawful attempts to thwart the enforcement of court decisions favourable to women. It is time to grant women the rights and dignity they are constitutionally afforded.